Hi, in today's quick video, I will show you how to add a browser icon or favicon to your Squarespace 7.1 website. You can see my dog here is taking a nap in the background, so we'll try not to disturb her. To get started, first, what is a favicon or browser icon? So I am in Chrome right now, and this ugly cube lets me know that this is a Squarespace website that someone has not bothered to change the favicon or browser icon on. So it's a way to make your site look a little more professional. If you're in Safari, you actually see this. If your site is saved in the bookmarks, this appears beside your site name there. So there are a few places that you see it, it's obvious, and you want to make sure and change it from the default Squarespace cube. So to do that, you typically want a favicon that is related to your logo. So for my demo site here, I will just take these 3 colored squares and create a PNG image file for those, and that's what I'm going to upload. In 7.1, to upload your favicon or browser icon, you go to Design and go to Browser Icon. And here you'll just drag and drop your icon, let that load, and then we'll click Save. And after we save it, let's click Refresh here in the top. And now you can see my favicon is here by my site name in Chrome. So it's a way to make your site look more professional. So I always add a favicon to every Squarespace website I work on.